Hi guys, it's me Liam, and today I'm going to be doing... So, right now I am in a Skycastle cargo jet with a PA microfighter in my cargo hold. And I am going to drop this jet out of this jet. Now, another great stunt is to fly the jet into it, like, while it's in midair. So let's go into the cargo bay real quick. Actually, we're gonna need to take control over that again. Open the cargo hold. Okay, go into the cargo bay. Let's get in our microfighter. And it's just, oof, oof. Oh my god. Yes! So right now, as you can see, I'm trying to line my PA. There we go. It is literally that simple. But now the real trick is, can we land with another jet inside? Let's go test. So I do believe that, yeah, that island in front of me, or the one right past it. Microfighter's probably none too happy in there, considering that it's being tossed and tumbled. Alright, let's try to line up. Right, now let's put her down. Oh my god, no, hang on. Come on, turn, lower. Alright, come on. Gently down now. Okay. Okay, I think we actually just did that. Let's go into the cargo bay. Let's take our microfighter and roll out.
Would you? Hell no. Would you ever want to go back to the Viking days?